I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of this small adjustable level pet ramp that I was gifted by the brand Zentavo. So thank you to the brand Zentavo for gifting this to me and Midge here. She's come for this little unboxing as well. I believe this has 4 adjustable levels. It's a great little ramp. No, Midgie. For getting your dog up to your bed or the couch. And it is a nice and compact size. As you can see, the box here, this will be the length of it. So, 3.5 feet long or so. Let's just see what we have here. Oh, I like this. It's got a little Velcro strap to hold the ramp part there when it's not in use. So that's a great little feature there. And then this opens up and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's 4 levels. Show. It is great. Just super nice and compact. It'll be easy. It's got this nice little levels off at the top here, so it will easily transition for the dog right onto your couch or your bed. And it has this grippy PVC material for their footing. So it's easy to keep clean. You can just wipe it down, simple, and it will be easy for the dogs to grip on here as well. So yeah, this will be easy to move around, easy to store, won't get in the way. I like this nice brown color, sort of a walnut color wood. So it will go with any sort of furniture. It blends in nicely. And then, like I said, this is a grippy PVC material for the dogs. It's easy for them to climb up on here. And I will just show you how it works with Midge. Okay, so here I have it set up to the couch here. And Midge is a little curious, but she's not sure about it yet because she has not tested it out. So I am just going to entice her. I've got some treat. Let's see if she can. Come on, Midge. There she got one. Let's see if she's going to be brave enough to go up it now to get the rest. There she goes. And that is how easy it is to show your dog how to use the ramp. Now I'm just going to say that I use this at the 3rd level for the couch, so it goes even higher than this. So that's good to note that of the 4 levels, level 3 is about the level to a couch, so level 4 will go up to the bed. And yeah, highly recommend this. Great little ramp.